sheen choice for exterior painting changes how a house reads at a glance and how long it stays clean. Pick sheen based on surface texture and expected wear rather than just personal taste. For rough or heavily textured siding, use flat or low sheen paint because it minimizes reflections and hides surface irregularities. Apply with a thick, even coat and back roll to fully fill crevices. For most siding where you want a balance of durability and moderate reflection, choose satin or eggshell. These sheens resist dirt pickup better than flat while still softening imperfections. And you can extend life by applying 2 thin coats rather than 1 heavy coat. Reserve semi-gloss for trim and doors where you want crisp definition and easier cleaning. Cut in carefully and avoid overworking edges to prevent lap marks. For metal, engineered surfaces, and high wear areas, use high gloss for maximum washability and abrasion resistance. But prepare the substrate with appropriate primers and sanding so the gloss adheres uniformly. When moving between surfaces, try to match sheen across similar planes to maintain a consistent appearance rather than alternating starkly different sheens, which call attention to transitions. Common mistakes are choosing a sheen that highlights flaws, which you fix by stepping down 1 level of sheen or smoothing the substrate before painting. Another error is using a high sheen on large textured walls, leading to excessive glare. Switch to satin or eggshell and add a coat applied with a roller and brush tipping for even laydown. A third issue is mismatched sheens between siding and trim that makes a house look disjointed. Harmonize by selecting complementary sheens and test on a small area in natural light before committing. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides a community forum where we discuss choices like paint, sheen, and surface prep. We help contractors find work by exposing their services to interested homeowners and supporting conversations in our discussion community.